Alright, troubleshooting the LOKITHOR Jump Starter P400 model. If you see, the hose is connected to the tire valve and it shows up 81 psi, which is wrong. The reading is wrong. That's why when I'm hitting pump, it is giving me error 330. The error 330 was not due to battery damage or battery related. It was over psi reading. In this sensor, it has more than 42 psi, which I set it originally. That's why it was giving that error. It is saying that your tire already has more than 42, so that's why it is giving me that error. Tire cannot have 83 psi. It will blast out of pressure. So it must be the air is stuck anywhere. Here is a sensor. I think there are some static residue or cached information in that sensor, so we need to detach the hose. First I need to detach from here and then from here, not this one first. I need to detach this hose first, then I will detach this one. So both hose has to be detached from both ends. Only then it is going to reset. Now it is 0 and I'll put it back. And then I should do this one. Then I will hold the power button for 3 seconds. So it will reset the residue of the sensor reading, which is cached. Let me see now. Let me hit pump. Well, now the reading is 41 psi, which is fine. Let me measure this. Well, it gave already the reading, but let me do it manually. Yep, 41.